Most people get this wrong when they search for rewarded play payment proof. They see a screenshot online and instantly decide it's either 100% real or completely fake. But here's the truth no one tells you. A screenshot by itself doesn't prove very much. In this video, you'll learn how to evaluate rewarded play payment proof in 2026, what genuine proof usually looks like, and how to avoid being misled by incomplete or exaggerated claims. Let's get straight into it. When people search for payment proof, they're usually asking one simple question. Does the app actually deliver rewards after users redeem them? The answer is that a screenshot alone is not enough evidence. A reward balance, points total, or redemption request only shows part of the process. To properly evaluate a payment claim, you need to look at the complete journey from earning rewards to successfully receiving them. Here's a quick win. The strongest payment proof usually includes multiple pieces of evidence. This may include redemption confirmations, reward history, delivery notifications, or account records showing that a reward was successfully processed. For example, Alex shares a screenshot showing he has accumulated a large number of points. That's useful information, but it doesn't automatically prove a reward was delivered. A complete proof would typically include additional confirmation showing the redemption was completed. But here's the problem. Many screenshots online can be cropped, edited, or presented without context. That's why relying on a single image can sometimes create unrealistic expectations. This is where most people fail. They focus on the picture instead of the process behind it. Now, here's where it gets interesting. A much better approach is to look for consistency. If multiple users report similar redemption experiences over time, and provide detailed explanations of how the process worked, that information is often more valuable than one viral screenshot. Here's another small win. Ask yourself 3 questions whenever you see payment proof. Does it show a completed redemption? Does it include confirmation details? Does the explanation match how the platform currently operates? These simple checks can help you evaluate claims more effectively. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to think about payment proof. Instead of asking whether a screenshot looks real, ask whether it demonstrates the full reward process. That shift in thinking helps you focus on evidence rather than assumptions. Now, here's an important point. Even if a payment proof appears genuine, it should never be viewed as a guarantee of future results. Reward opportunities, earning rates, and available offers can vary based on region, account activity, and platform updates. Let's recap. A single screenshot is not enough to verify rewarded play payment proof. The strongest evidence includes multiple stages of the redemption process, clear confirmation details, and consistent user experiences over time. If this guide helped you, leave a comment with your experience using reward apps, hit the like button, and subscribe for more honest app reviews, reward platform guides, and tech tutorials.